Immigrants have been streaming into South Africa for many years, especially over the last several decades. Most Tsongas reside in Limpopo, which is the northeastern province that borders Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and Botswana. Therefore, they have both a unique and tremendous opportunity of reaching millions of immigrants for Christ. Zimbabweans especially have flooded into South Africa as both legal and illegal immigrants, as well as refugees or asylum workers. They have come to escape the late Robert Mugabe's brutal regime and the chaos and economic peril that many are facing in the once prosperous country. They enter nearly every sector of the workforce, from mechanics to teachers to cooks to nurses to garden workers, and are often the hardest working employees on staff. This has spawned considerable anti-immigration sentiment among South Africans, with numerous examples of riots and xenophobic attacks, sadly, all of it perpetuated by black-on-black violence. In fact, many of the early graduates from our Bible Institute originally came because they were forcibly evicted from their squatter camps in Johannesburg. Several of these graduates are faithfully pastoring churches in Zimbabwe, but the challenges still persist. The needs are great, and the opportunities abound for reaching the millions of African immigrants with the gospel. Pray that Christ-like compassion would swell in the hearts of the Tsonga people, moving them to open their hands with food, jobs, shelter, and most importantly, the Word of God that contains the message of hope and truth.